If you're encountering the meeting not found here on SavvyCal, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check meeting link. Ensure that the meeting link you are using is correct. Verify that there are no typos or errors in the URL and that it corresponds to an existing meeting. Step 2. Confirm meeting status. Log into your SavvyCal account and check the status of the meeting. Make sure that the meeting has not been cancelled or rescheduled by the host. Step 3. Refresh your browser. Sometimes, a simple refresh can solve the problem. Reload the page or close and reopen your browser to see if the meeting appears. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If refreshing doesn't work, try clearing your browser's cache. This can help resolve any loading issues that may be causing the error. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to SavvyCal's customer support. Provide them with details about the issue and they can assist you further. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the meeting not found error on SavvyCal. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.